Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can clear cache on your smart TV. So first thing you need to do is to tap on the home button on your remote. The next thing you need to do is to just scroll to the right where you will find the setting gear option. So you need to tap on the setting gear icon. All you need to do is to scroll down and here you will find the option system. From system, you need to just scroll down where you will find advanced system. So you need to tap on that one and here you will find clear cache. So you need to tap on this option and here it is calculating as you can see, and here you can see select all, or you can just select by you want to select any single one. So you can select individually or you can just select all, and all you need to just select this option, the cleanup. You need to tap on that one and as you can see it is cleaning and it is done. Now 25 MB of storage is free for me. So this is how you can clear your cache on your smart TV. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.